Today, I am reviewing AODK 59-inch gaming desk. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're a gamer, a student, or someone who simply needs a modern and functional workspace, then the AODK 59-inch gaming desk might just be the perfect addition to your setup. This desk has been designed to combine style, functionality, and durability, making it suitable not only for gamers, but also for people working or studying from home. Let's dive into what makes this desk stand out. First, let's talk about size and design. The desk measures nearly 60 inches in width, 19.7 inches in depth, and 45.2 inches in height. That means it's spacious enough to comfortably hold your gaming monitors, a laptop, your keyboard, mouse, and still leave room for accessories. The black polished finish, paired with a modern, rectangular design, gives it a sleek and professional look that can fit seamlessly in bedrooms, dorms, offices, or living rooms. Whether you're aiming for a clean office vibe or a flashy gaming setup, this desk adapts perfectly. One of the highlights of the AODK gaming desk is its LED lighting system. The built-in LED strip comes with 10 static colors, 10 dynamic modes, and 6 levels of brightness adjustment. It even has a memory function that remembers your last setting. This means you can set the mood for late-night gaming sessions, or simply create a comfortable, well-lit atmosphere for working or studying. Adjustable lighting not only enhances immersion while gaming, but also helps reduce eye strain during long hours of use. Next, let's talk about convenience. The desk features built-in USB charging ports and power outlets. Specifically, you get 3 power outlets and 2 USB ports, which allow you to charge up to 5 devices at once. Imagine being able to power your smartphone, headset, controller, or even your Bluetooth speakers directly from your desk without needing a messy extension cord. This is a huge time saver and helps keep your setup organized. Storage is another area where this desk excels. It comes with 3 fabric drawers, an open shelf that can hold your gaming PC, and a handy side hook for your headphones or bags. The shelves are also reversible, which means you can set them up on the left or right side depending on your room layout or personal preference. With this much storage, you can finally keep your desk clutter-free, with everything from notebooks to gaming gear neatly organized and within reach. Ergonomics are also a key part of the AODK desk's design. The raised monitor stand ensures your monitor is placed at eye level, which not only improves your posture, but also reduces strain on your neck and back. This is an often overlooked feature that makes a big difference, especially if you spend long hours working or gaming. Plus, the elevated stand creates extra storage space underneath for keyboards or small accessories. Now, let's look at the durability and build quality. The desk is made with a metal frame and high-quality MDF board, giving it both stability and resistance to scratches or water damage. The sturdy frame includes adjustable non-slip foot pads, which keep the desk stable even on uneven surfaces. This is particularly helpful if you live in a dorm or an older home where floors may not be perfectly level. The overall build feels strong, ensuring it can handle the weight of multiple monitors, gaming PCs, or office equipment without wobbling. Assembly is also straightforward. The package comes with all the tools you need and step-by-step instructions. Each part is clearly labeled, so even if you're not particularly handy, you should be able to put it together in a reasonable amount of time. And in case of any issues, AODK offers responsive customer support to help you out quickly. So, who is this desk for? Well, it's versatile enough to suit different needs. Gamers will appreciate the LED lighting, large surface, and charging ports. Students will love the storage and organized layout. Professionals working from home will benefit from the ergonomic monitor stand and polished modern style. It's truly a multi-purpose desk that balances both aesthetics and function. To sum it up, the AODK 59-inch gaming desk offers an impressive blend of style, ergonomics, and practicality. With colorful LED lighting, built-in charging ports, multiple storage options, and a durable build, it's more than just a desk. It's a complete workstation designed to enhance productivity and elevate your gaming or working experience. If you've been looking for a desk that brings both form and function together, this one is absolutely worth considering.